Hi, Greg Enthank with the Preferred team at Remax Preferred Group, helping real estate investors increase cash flows without as many hassles. And what I'd like to talk about in this video is something that we get asked a lot, and it's besides the obvious, what's the most important thing I need to know, especially if I'm just getting started investing in real estate? And to that, I would say the most important thing would be a deep understanding of home loans and financing and how all that works. From an investor standpoint, obviously, you want to have a handle on what are the best rates, what are the best down payments for you as the investor. But even if you're paying cash or buying through a self-directed IRA, you need to know what the climate is on the back end to get your properties financed. Not so important for a long-term buy and hold strategy, but a lot of our investors combine that strategy with shorter term lease options and land contracts. And for those, you need to know how financing works and what's going to be available to your tenant buyer on the back end. For example, you wouldn't want to put somebody on a 1-year lease option or land contract if they just came out of a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, because they're looking at least 2 years before a lender is going to look at them at that point in time, and then they're going to need to reestablish and do some things in the meantime. Another example is you want to make sure as an investor you're requiring that your to purchase tenant buyers pay you with a check. Most lenders now require that rental verification to be in the form of canceled checks unless you're working with a management company. That way they can verify that the rent has been paid. If you don't like that idea and would rather have them do something different, like deposit directly into an account, or you're not concerned that they pay with money orders or cash, then you want to make sure that that property is professionally managed, so that lender will look at the property management company's documents as rental verification. Very important when you're converting your tenants into buyers, is how that rent is handled. If you'd like more information, some coaching on how best to go about this, if you're interested in getting your properties professionally managed, go to cincycashflow.com. There you'll see a longer video that further explains in more detail what we do and how we do it, and we'll see you on that video.